Oh, you guys, wait till you see what I have for you. It will change everything. I have like 5 unique, great, extravagant pieces of jewelry, but wait till you see them. It will change everything of how you look at Moissanite and gemstone and just like diamonds. You have to see this, you guys. I can't wait to share this with you. It's the perfect holiday gift for your loved ones, for your mother, for that special girl, you know, for your best friend, or for yourself. For real, y'all. Wait till you see how wonderful Read Your Heart has a beautiful collection, a cyber sale going on right now. And if you already subscribed to my channel, you would see that I already post so many great, amazing videos about Read Your Heart Company and what they represent. And what, first of all, if you're looking for the perfect holiday gift that is small, very affordable to ship, that can just work for any age group, basically older than maybe 7 or 9, all the way up to somebody 60 or 50 or 30, you got it. Read Your Heart has the most beautiful, defined, high-end collection, like very detailed quality, luxury, like dainty, just unique, one of a kind, standing out, beating the crowd. Like this is, I'm just speechless, like, wow. This one item will change of how you look at diamonds, period. Enough said, let's just open it up. I know you guys are tired of me talking about how wonderful this would be as a gift. I mean, I would love to receive this from a gift from a special boyfriend or a husband or anybody. I mean, but Read Your Heart gifted me this to show you guys their high-end quality of their packaging is so lovely and defined. It reminds me of Tiffany, like the color and the detail. I mean, once you get something from Read Your Heart, you're gonna just keep on shopping with them because their items are so delightful. Each piece is just calling for like luxury. Like, look at me, wow. That box, you can't tell me that is like top-notch, like luxury. This is a beautiful gemstone ring. There it is right there, you guys. The price is extremely affordable for the quality. They have so many great sizes. I mean, you can get like, if you have a small little finger, you can get like 5 or 6 or 7. You can go all the way to a 9. They're selling really fast because of the cyber sale. I can get this open. Oh my gosh, it comes in silver and gold. Gosh, look at that quality. All the links would be down below if you guys like any of their beautiful rings. This one is a 7.5. All right, hope I got your guys' attention with that ring. I gotta show you some more of the wonderful collection. I mean, the perfect holiday gift, the perfect birthday gift, the perfect gift to give to somebody to tell them that they are special and they mean something to you. And then, you know, oh, pink. They come in different colors. Now, this is a necklace, you guys. There it is right there. Read Your Heart. The box is a little bit bigger, but look at this. The quality of the chain is top notch. Look at that Moissanite pink. Beautiful Read Your Heart stone, you guys. It's angel wings. I lost my mom and I feel like it's the perfect gift to remind me of like the love and the special care that we had together. Or if a guy is like really in love with you, he needs to give you this, like period. They have different colors, you're not the pink girl. But the backing of this is so well designed. And the length is really nice because they have it where it's adjustable. You know what I mean? And this is not gonna make your neck green or anything. Wow. So if you're someone with desperate change, like you just want something like it's gonna be just calling, like so you, it's good positive energy, it's just a change, you know, look into Read Your Heart's jewelry and what it represents. You know, you're not doing a blood diamond. It is from Mother Nature, so it's not like scientifically made. And the quality of it is very similar to a real diamond. It's just a little bit softer, and to the eye, people really can't tell until you go into like some special store and they use it with the little pin and they ding it, and then they'll know it's not a diamond. But other than that, like, you can give it to your loved ones and don't say nothing. Like they say, oh my gosh, you got me diamond. Don't say nothing. Yes, I got you a diamond. Oof. This is for the loved ones, the ones that just have love in the air. I mean, the ones that are about to get engaged, that I was engaged at one point, but if you are somebody that's getting engaged and you want a temporary fix because you're traveling around the world and you don't want to wear your $5,000 ring, look into Read Your Heart. Here it is, you guys. This one is the one. Will you marry me? Like, wow. Not too gothic, it's not too big. It's going to work just fine, especially if you're a size 7 finger, 6.5, or 8. Now, if you are a 5, this is a big diamond. Let me put it on, you guys, and show you how lovely this one is. Yes, I do. Oh my gosh, I need security. Security, please come. Oh, yes. Look at that. Isn't it neat? Don't you think my collection is complete? Won't you think I'm the girl that has everything? I have diamonds and bracelets and necklaces. I got earrings. Yes. Who cares? No big deal. I want more. I want to be on the website buying more items from Read Your Heart. I want to be one of those girls that wears all the jewelry. Oh. I love doing unboxing. It's like a surprise in there. So that beautiful necklace is this one right here. If you guys love the collection, make for sure you check out their website, check it out. Use the discount code if you want to save more money, but if not, they have a big time cyber sale. They're gonna have a New Year's sale. They have sales and they're very affordable and they're super good quality. They will not make your hand green, guaranteed. Like, no. And you'll just be so excited. You will love it. You will love it just as much as I'm loving it, reviewing it to you guys, to sharing this unboxing experience. Subscribe to the channel right there, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Why not? And don't forget, the links to all the items are all down there. If you catch them that catches your eye, I hope you do. Make sure you check out that link, and I'll see you guys again. Happy holidays.